Wait and see.
Imagine pulling the newest DeepSeek R1 model onto a 3-year-old laptop. No internet streaming, no pricey GPU, and no cloud bill. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to fetch, install, and fire up a full-scale chatbot on a modest PC, privacy-first, cost-free, and completely offline. Think of an LLM like a massive library of books. Traditionally, you rent a seat in a cloud library, paying per hour. Today, we'll move the entire collection onto a tiny bookshelf you already own. The trick is packing the books tighter. That's what quant-aware optimization does. So they still read fluently while taking up far less shelf space. Step 1. Install Ollama, the lightweight runtime that talks directly to the hardware. A single curl command and we have a local AI engine ready to serve. Step 2. Pull the DeepSeek R1 model. Ollama streams the 7GB checkpoint, but because we're offline, the download stops at the edge of our Wi-Fi router, then continues from a local cache. Step 3. Run the built-in quantizer. We convert the 16-bit weights down to 4-bit integer representations, shaving memory usage by 80% while preserving conversational quality. Step 4. Wire the model into LM Studio. Drag and drop the quantized file into the interface, hit Start Server, and a ready-to-talk chatbot appears. Now the proof. I ask, what's the future of privacy AI and DeepSeek? R1 replies instantly, all computed on the laptop CPU cores, no external servers involved. That's the whole pipeline, from raw model to offline chatbot, on hardware that costs less than a dinner for two. No cloud, no subscription, just pure local AI. If you liked watching this build live, hit the like button, subscribe for more offline AI adventures, and drop a comment with the next model you'd love to see run on a budget PC.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Wait and See, your signal through the noise of AI.